The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Potinger. A good life, Randy barefoot. I'm barefoot right now. I say now, more tonight, I hear the road, yo, I see it, you know, I see it from here, you know. I see it, the righteousness, you have the cross and everything. So, I need some nighttime movements, you see me? So, Nika go send me a number, alright? Respect, sir. Don't afraid, you know, I don't like afraid people around me, you know. Alright? So my car will move out. Yeah. Respect, love. Yes, Nick, be good at work today. Alright, love. You have enough money? You have lunch money?
Yes, I have lunch.
Alright, good. Why trusted the stone heart, you know. You know, for walk my road, them heat you will kill you. Yes, General. Yeah, hot. Let me tell you something, man. Some taxi one day, I'm not afraid. Yes, I saw. Jamaica good life of another day. Just stop by my foot. You know, surround there, whole a vibe right now. You know, easy yourself now. Easy yourself. Sure, people. And there will have vibe and relax, you know. Big up to everybody. Dog, what I want it? Just easy yourself, no dog, my dog. Easy yourself. Easy yourself, no my dog. Easy yourself. That's it. Please, you sure you look tired. How much hours you want?
No.
What do you mean?
7 to 7 hours.
7 to 7. You can't do much, not 12 that. You take lunch break? You take the lunch?
Eat hour.
You eat and walk? People, you don't have to take care of Nadisha. Thanks, me say polite because Nadisha getting the passport, she going hopefully get the visa. The world need to know, right?
Yes, man.
And a $400 more for save to get the passport.
The visa.
You just work 12 hours today. So why is it them things that Jamaican people just sit down long here? No, take off your shirt right now in front of the people. Then. Don't do it.
Oh, me think me hot and tired.
So, alright, so now I'll make you relax. We just want to see your tires so the people that know you need help. Alright? Later.
Alright, later.
Get this up here.
Just drop that in there. Just see how quick the chef can work.
There's going to be a car up here. What's that? There? Not yet. She ain't give out the money. Since I'm looking by them. I show off my show. Alright. Soon call them. So I want to open next year.
And me, take up one.
Oh yeah, can you have something?
Yeah.
Oh, that means you're not getting no more then.
I'm not sure. Come here on yourself.
Yes. Since you just start come back in the season, man.
Eh?
Yeah, you gotta come over there. You just go back for your man. I would never get them time.
Now you have to replace one from the one the guy gave.
Yeah,
They look young.
They're on there. They look young. But I didn't bring them for me. And then they shall have them and put on.
Move, because you see you're dead now.
Yeah!
You see? Eh? Watch it, sister. No man, he might go past schedule. I'm ready for left. But we go shut the key now. Shut the key! Is it? What him say? Alright.
Done.
Better?
Yeah.
Dog, watch yourself. Dog, no dog dirty now. No dog need to bathe now. Why not bathe the dog? You see the dog got flea too. Why not bathe the dog? It's a crime. Morning, sir.
Morning. I'm going to say, I'm call it. When you come, I'm tell you, say $20, then just go back and go. So I say, I'm going to go I'm most out to go now, but most out to go now.
Some deep foreigners?
Yeah. Foreigners and Jamaica, but right now foreigners are doing this. The rest I just about to yesterday. Yeah. Him and him mother and him brother.
It's in the car.
Secure.
Pick up the This is Jamaica, good love.
Look up at them and I'm going with us.
Let me take a 2 rest day. I'm trouble now, no? You know that.
Okay.
When me take my 2 rest day. You know that.
That's trouble now.
Did you say good morning to us? No, you did not. Which parish you from?
Parish I'm from, but not really. When I was talking,
You see that? You see that?
It was talking.
What parish are you from?
Westmoreland.
Okay. We're going to have to deal with your parish.
Well,
We're going to lock it down because of you.
No, you don't have to lock it down, man. It's not that. That alone can make you lock down. Because guess what? When me approach, Councillor and you was talking. Does it right?
And you interrupted us without a good morning.
Well,
We're going to lock it down.
I don't have anything to say.
We're going to lock it down.
Boss, you see? Well, teacher, I trust it.
We're going to lock it down.
Yeah,
One man.
One man.
Because the whole thing for lock down now.
You know why?
bikers and people and just move fast. Alright, rule number 1 for moving to Jamaica. If you don't have much, that will be the problem. You have to blend in with the people. Go anywhere, walk anywhere with our slippers, right?
Yeah.
Anywhere. You must not be afraid. Move, blend in. That's rule number 1. You have to go anywhere. Eat at the local places. Don't stay up too late at night time. Always have a late time taxi for car.
If you have to be out there.
If you have to be out late, make sure your taxi man close. You see me, don't bring no little bag and thing with you. Just bring your cash in your pocket. If anything, keep it a copy of your passport or your driver's license. You don't have to bring a whole heap of things. You see me? Anything you have on you, you don't have nothing. You don't feel. Must have a list of phone numbers on a piece of paper at all times, right?
Quick
You look
contact.
all the time. Have a list of phone numbers on you, your local friends, right? When you move with the people, all you have to do is buy food in the fridge for them and then cook with them. That's it. You know, buy gas for the car and roll with them. But you have to blend in. You have to be fearless, and you have to learn that Jamaican just run up and down and shoot. Them things don't happen. Just shoot people. You know, man. Even at the baddest neighborhood, you call to the people there.
They're not just kill people like that.
Yes,
Most of
sir,
the time killing going on some gang fuse or
You know, don't bring nothing for show off. Don't bring no chain, no fancy watch. Call to everybody. If somebody make eye contact, call to them. That is the rule. Right? Give the cash to the person that you're with. If they're Jamaican, to spend it for you. Don't spend it yourself.
better.
Anything you can negotiate, everything in Jamaica. If them say $10 for this, give the person, no, $5 may have. And them say, you get it for 7. Here yet. But everything is negotiable. Every single thing. Let the Jamaican speak for you. That is with you. Right? Let them speak for you. Do not speak for yourself. And the Jamaican that is taking care of you, make sure you tell them, you know. You see how we call to people, call to everybody. You see, cause if anything happen to you, them recognize your face.
Yes.
No, me know that you with them, man.
Yeah, man. Seriously.
It take a second to know somebody in Jamaica. And speak how you call. You know, a 1 second it take, right?
Sure.
So that is some of the rules. So you want me for going at it? You have to change your clothes,
Yeah,
right?
man. Now left you right again, I'm going to change the clothes.
So again, people, that is how some of the rules. Blend in, talk to people. All right, good. Sister, I work now. Gears are trusted. Work. No, man. Put it to tester. Put it to tester. Cause trust you, I got changing clothes. I get your keys too. Yeah, go get the pretty one. Come
So
on.
he just have some amazing food. We can just go on there meanwhile he can change.
Put it on the table, Tessa, man. Right, Tessa.
I never see a dog so tame.
You must be the man on neck. How come you be the dog?
Not my dog.
Queen Cuisine says she had the best chef in the world. So, I'm going to lock down Nick for Jamaica till Queen Cuisine come.
Yes.
Alright? And when we come Jamaica, man, Nick, you know, Nick, we don't have to get food from Nick. We don't have to support Nick. Because Nick has worked too hard. Give thanks. This is my prayer. I go give thanks, you know, Nick. I mean this, but I go give thanks.
Makes sense.
Give thanks. That's it.
Watch it.
I'm there in Vancouver, Queen Cuisine cook for me.
Yeah.
I said, let's give thanks, guys. Give thanks.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
Good, quick.
Something can be done.
Something can like good food and I live like in Jamaica.
So me talk about.
Them get jealous, Nick.
human beings.
Crazy.
We can't live, we can't eat some eggs, we can't do nothing. Give me no fat,
Your life-
give me no big crusty man.
Your life gone. If you watch them.
So what's in the store for you today?
Well, that's for me. I'm going to go to the bank to see if we can clear up some problem with them.
You work 2 p.m. today.
Mm-hmm. But the rain go fast.
Breakfast, yeah. Serious, you not put arm in there?
No, I'm not going to this morning. You don't go there, you get rum, man. I told sober some of them want to go. If anything, I don't like it.
God, you great, huh? No kicking. Watch you, easy. I say I attack people food. You eat egg? Alright, eat that. What was that? Hey. I will do that. Dog. It's a piece of egg there. Come. I will do that. We watch that lunatic.
That was all lunatic. We are giving him and you want to them.
Jamaican people. Cheers to all for watching this global Turks and Cape.
Yo, make sure you get some paper and we coming back now.
You want pear?
Can't tell you that, you know. Pure nice, no man. Appetizer, you know. For me, you know. Anytime you eat pure, you know, Randy. I tell you, make me appetite up, you know. Eat on the whole place. Yeah, man. Eat stew peas, pig steer. Yeah, man. Up with the...
Easy yourself. Bring up as dog food.
Dog not cold, man. Dog not cold at
They're beach dog. So trust you ready?
Just you ready, like... Just you them feel but they gonna beat. They not swim. You hate water like what?
How will you make him a beard?
You have a problem with that?
Yeah.
You can't get killed on your phone, my lad.
You can't get him.
Randy carry the plate to the faint him if we go so hard.
You ready?
You're ready long time.
You ready too?
Okay, that go down.
We not be
Okay, back the glass. You know want it, you not carry.
That's 2 pear for you.
Asha. No, man. No, man.
Come here, pear.
Take your key.
Are you that?
Are you that big man? You done me already. We don't buy it.
If I keep working like that,
Yesterday I agree with that fully. You know that's stupid.
I'm not sure. Come in.
Alright.
I see a thing that. You want
to
me to have to check now others to sound.
That one normally always better than the gate one. And the padlock one.
Guidance and protection.
Lock on the place.
Be good, sleep good. Alright, be good. In the name.
I'm only business man. Me are serious when it comes to my work. I change and balance with you. The head shine.
Me, I hear you. Keep it up, boss. Keep it up, boss.
I'd rather be here than to be there late.
Keep it up, boss. Jamaica beach already.
Good life. This is Randy again with a man called Trusty, moving and choosing to live life to the fullest. Trusty, how you like the new season?
Well, it starts off good enough. Starts off good. But don't think you need to find Pokey.
Yeah.
My colleague you want to cuss me out this morning. Send me to my smart on him.
Okay. Yeah. Step on it. What is this area called?
See Whitehall?
Whitehall?
Yeah, I've been a red down, you know.
And these were once all lands that people captured,
Yeah.
and then the government give them, then they build them house.
Yeah, man, in Whitehall. Now it's in Whitehall. It used to name capture land.
Yeah.
But it's renamed Whitehall Estate.
So
No, this is retro.
Nadisha in a fence around there. So, wait, go walk. You laugh at work. You say you work hard, but you laugh, you laugh.
Now they're not here. You're not here on this go walk. Boy, you laugh at work. Over you go walk. And boy, you walk hard.
6 a.m. me there. On your foot. Me there snore.
I know, sir, that's your knockout.
You know, I'm not gonna get to no present before I leave. What? When I go see it, I'm gonna say, wow. Eh? That traffic or river?
No. Really, where I travel.
Well, just take it easy, drink water, don't stress yourself out. Alright, sing a song or two. Yeah. Oh, I tell you, Jamaica, something else. You know?
Yeah.
Jamaica, people don't want to live.
The people mostly meet out there.
Eh?
They will mostly meet out there in Spanish. They will know whatever people in case. I think.
This is how blessed Jamaica is. Everywhere you turn, naturality. Everything to heal the body. You know? And life. Relaxing and easy when you pay for your house. Plant your trees them. Go for live with people. Pimento tree. Birds. Banana tree. Go. Captain Kelly now no. So when you know. Right? So life is life. Everything is everything. Blessings and love. Jamaica good life.
So what are they going?
What is Sunday? So this are the crew. The new generation. I'm tell them story, them write them story, you know, get their memory. You don't know what they look like. I feel memory this, you know, 4 of them that the other up and down. Dog, everything, real life. Real life to reality. Remember one day my auntie them did roll up on my bed. You don't forget them day when you should find come out country. You know? Almond tree. Nice. Everybody barefoot. Two on swim and float. Wanna go on the boat too?
Yeah, we can't go for the boat and jump off.
Wanna go to the boat and jump off too? What your name again?
Jayana.
What your name?
Delanje.
Delanje.
They know me already.
How you doing? Where Delanje, what you do?
Something cut in the fire.
You alright?
It's a bird.
Wanna use the bathroom already?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright, Jamaica, this is taking the kids to the river. The Jamaica Good Life have kids now. Skelly's son. And we're going to Rolling River. Off of buy petrol, right?
Yeah, man, I go for that. Girl, move fast, cross, girl. Move fast, cross. Don't you up with the madman?
Let me sit back, and go behind the seat then.
Watch out, no one gonna know. The fire truck, the one catch me there, son. You understand?
Eh?
No, the fire truck kept me there, son. Right up on
Okay.
Yeah, the better one I pass the blame, the fire truck better.
Sit back and you should go behind the seat, move the box them and
Hold on,
go.
I'm going to put the shit on.
You can put them in the back of the car, right? Yes man, everybody have them thing go on. Everybody have live. This is the life down here. There are people.
Daddy, Daddy.
You know some more than you probably come and camp and go down there.
It's not very bad, man.
You know, so fun. So what's the them up, load them up, right? Alright, so I'm gonna go out down to the beach coming
No,
up.
you're not staying long enough.
So you say,
I'm not going to be able to say you don't stop up this boy.
I'm gonna go take about 5 or 10 minutes to come.
You sure?
Them people,
You sure?
eh?
Yes, you know.
Watch me, watch. Boom. Travelers Beach Resort. Randy, I'm back at it. That's the person we arrested. That's my people then. You know. This is Travelers Beach Resort. This is Negril. Here party. Lots of nice. Gosh, I forgot all the time. River, I have to touch on the sea. Jamaica, good life. This is it, man. You guys now have trusted people in this part of the world. So that's where you stay. Don't move. Don't watch nothing. We live life, our move. True. Alright, just back into the car now. Everybody behind the seat. Hold on to yourself. You hear me, sir? And lean back. A ladybug, you fine? What's ladybug name? Ladybug. Alright. I bring the ladybug at the river with we. Make sure the ladybug can't swim, you know.
Okay.
The ladybug can't swim?
No.
You better make you better make sure you don't lose him, you know.
Oh man.
What did you tell us? I tell you they're going to spend more than 10 minutes.
Yeah, because you're going to buck up on your own. That's why I'm going to buck up on your own. I them the sugar roll over to you and 5 feet.
So, and pick up them, you know, pick up the other people that make
Don't go for that right. So, go for that right.
You change tire afternoon and place.
Me? Time for me to over you know. Come on, change that now. Want to tell you now? Why are you in the corner?
You lose the ladybug, are you?
Yes.
Don't have him?
Yeah.
I'm ready to lose him now. We're going to try to duck him under the water. He better can't swim. He better come from a swimming family. Because we're going to duck him. Water deep.
You can't flow on the back on the road.
Family.
No, you can't flow on the back on
Hard working family.
Madam, two son. When you're gonna go over, he's coming with us. Kappa! Kelly! Open, man. Open.
Movement going to the river right now, Rolling River. Negril with the man called Trusty. Jamaica good life. I'm gonna show you how we cook at the river. But the people from Baltimore in town. So Jamaica is beautiful. When you hang with the Jamaicans, you're safe. One thing about Jamaica, just hang out with the Jamaicans like Kelly, man called Trusty. You're safe like bullet in a glass case. You see me say, you know for haste, there is no race, you know me I say set the pace. Man like Kelly, Captain Kelly. This is man called Randy Jamaica Good Life. I've experienced some cooking. What are we cooking, Trusty?
I think I can say I do some curry chicken and some roast bread fruit. I don't know what else will be on the menu. You know.
Virgin, you can swim? Oh yeah. Oh you swim good? I hear so this river deep, you know.
I know like it.
Eh?
I'm a shark in the water.
Shark in the water.
There's a shark in the water. So Baltimore, where do you learn to swim? In the pools?
Yeah, the pool, beach.
Oh, okay, okay.
Shark.
Well, a shark. Well, me want go in and dip in. Me shorter bread, so me go in and out. Me a shorter bread. Then call me shorter bread. Me go in and come out and go sit down. I put two shorter bread. Them call me. On land, we have long bread, but some.
You don't want to short bread.
Yes, and I'm gonna put 20 in there.
20 US.
No, about $2 grand.
Yeah, man. I'm just trying to set you up here from now.
Jamaica, good life. See it? We roll out, roll in river, them say. 45 minutes from Travels Beach Resort, right?
Yeah.
I want to touch my head. Wanna have the ladybug? Where's the ladybug? Let me see the ladybug. That ladybug better kiss swim. We're gonna dump him in the river. I better have long breath. Yeah, I wear on my head. Why am I have a head massage at today? Kids. What do you mean the lady? What do you mean to tell me?
We know my fly there.
What do you mean the ladybug gone?
So can't find that.
Hmm?
Fly away.
Why never put him in one cage?
We don't have any.
I don't have ladybug. I have ladybug cage.
You like him?
If you heard of it.
You like ladybugs?
What do you mean? You know how much of them I have on my yard? I have about 20 ladybugs on my yard in a cage. I'm going to feed them every morning.
Ladybugs?
Yes. I love them. What happened to them? I don't have no cage for the ladybug.
They can come too. Daddy! Can buy one drink?
Come on, Rasta, come in.
Blanche found him.
Make sure, want to find him, keep him.
Come in, Rasta.
I mind him now.
You're one now.
Yeah.
You sure you don't want to put on these shades because this is international. Women gonna see you doing things and it's like, oh, I saw you with this. You know what I'm saying?
Because I was in the store.
Okay, all right. Because this is international. You know, you're gonna be
a superstar.
It's gonna be global, bro. It's like I saw you in the car. So guys, protect the ladybug. Alright?
Still got the ladybug.
So who's gonna give me a cookie?
Okay.
Take it out for me, please. Thank you. You're kind. Everybody buckle up. Something in Ramtel Road on there, so.
Ramtel Road. Now we say police love out here, so.
Yeah. Jamaica, this is a road trip to the river. Rolling River. Man called Randy, man called Trusty. And we have the shark. You go see the man there, the shark. We call him the shark. Well, it's a shark. And we have the kids them with the ladybug. Right?
Got the ladybug.
Captain Kelly in the car. So now guys, when you come to Negril, you link up with Trusty. I'll introduce you to Captain Kelly. You go to the river, you cook in Negril. Best oceans, right? Best rivers, right? Really good food, good people. and you just hold a vibe and go up on the boat and live Jamaica good life, yeah? Safe and sound, right?
This is Jamaica Good Life with Randy Potinger. And here we are now, just going through. Now, where are we right now, Trusty?
Nampearl Road going into Sheffield.
We're on Nampearl Road,
Going into Sheffield.
going into Sheffield.
Yeah.
We're in Nick Grill, Westmoreland.
Westmoreland. And yeah, Nampearl Road, Sheffield.
Good.
Yeah.
And where is the Rolling River located?
In Westmoreland.
In Westmoreland also.
Yeah.
Is it one of the famous rivers?
The one that famous over in Westmoreland.
Yeah. Is that where Pokey wanted to take us at one point?
Well, I'm not sure. Probably she wanted to take us to the Parish River.
Uh-huh.
And it's also in Westmoreland.
Yes.
Yeah, so I don't know if I'm sure about it.
This is beautiful right here. So Shark, how long you been in Jamaica?
2 days now.
2 days?
2 or 3 days, something like that.
Did you drink and get your smokes on and everything?
I'm gonna be here till the 14th.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Here for the party, man.
You're from Baltimore.
Baltimore, yeah.
So you-
Baltimore, Maryland.
So you
Come here every year.
every year? This is your place?
Every year for about 10 years.
Yeah? Respect.
Okay.
So what do you like most about Jamaica when you come?
The people, man, the family. These people is my family. I knew this guy right here since, 2010.
Yeah, definitely.
You know who? Trusty?
Yeah.
Oh, so you stay at Shields all the time on a regular basis.
Yeah.
10 years? You said 2010?
2010.
Damn. So you know these people.
Kelly, Connie, Kingsley, all the family. That's my family.
Yeah, that's
man.
true.
So when you come, you just roll out with them boat, everything.
Yeah.
When are you guys going on the boat ride?
We went on a boat ride yesterday.
Yesterday? You cook out in the island?
No, we ain't do that yet. This is my mom first time here, so we gonna do all of that.
Oh.
We went snorkeling yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we just went up to the cliffs. It started raining, so it cut our little swim trip a little bit short, but
Okay.
because of the lightning, because the rain don't stop nothing.
right.
So now, Rick's Cafe, you went there yesterday?
Yeah. Well, we went on the cliffs. I ain't really into the touristy stuff.
Yeah. That's why you link up with Kelly.
Yeah.
So you jump
we
off
don't
that.
do the tourist thing. We
don't
come
do-
here to live.
Yeah. You don't. That's why I link up with Trusty, because I don't do the tourist thing.
Right.
You know, I stay.
The food is no good unless you go
Yes,
eat
local.
where you're supposed to eat. You ain't supposed to.
And it's also it's terrible and it's
And it's
expensive.
Right.
Alright.
So who cook for you when you're down here?
I go to I like tree dives. I like corner bars. I like regular stuff.
Just the regular little spots,
Yeah. Somebody got one of the drums on the side of the road.
like Pokey. You know Pokey?
They do that's the food.
Okay. So you know Jamaica. What are some of the places you've been, like rivers? Have you been to Dunsmore Falls?
No, I've been to Mayfield Falls.
You've never been to Dunsmore Falls?
No.
Damn. Whoa, bro, that's
That's
in
a long way, no?
St. Anne's, you know?
Yeah, Duns River, that's all the way in Ocho Rio.
Right.
You never been there?
Over there.
Oh, come on, man.
It's falls over here. That's where we go to the river right
That's
now.
different. Yeah, that's so true.
But that is the falls of Jamaica.
Duns River.
Yeah.
And you know, Randy,
That's the biggest one.
falls. No, maybe the falls is a long way better than Duns River.
Mayfield Falls is better than Dunsmore.
I go see Mayfield Falls. Nice.
Even YS, it's just still Duns River, man.
Wires, yeah.
They improve on YS and Duns River now. That's no different.
Okay.
You know?
So you stay in Westmoreland most of your time. Don't let Trusty capture you in this side of the world, man. Don't let him capture you here. Because he'll tell you there's nothing else out there. So you stay with him.
No, you see, he's sparring with the best of the people. They know what is best for him. You know? Yeah. Once you par with the yardie, you get the yardie style. Yeah, man. I know anything you gotta do is good.
Yeah. Okay, that's good, man.
brother.
She loving it already. Yeah, that's my brother.
Yeah, man, she told me this morning, man, once she reach Montego,
I'm
start to
from
enjoy
Jamaica.
herself. Her first time for her mother.
Oh man, she gonna always come down with you too.
Yeah, she up talking to me. She said whatever money she don't spend, she's saving it for next year to come back.
All right.
She already planning for next year.
Oh, this ain't really touching yet. Wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah, man, she said once she reach Montego, man, just start
She
to
just
enjoy
feel
herself.
good,
Just
right?
start to enjoy herself.
Yeah. You know, Jamaica, once you hit the airport, because you know I'm from New York, and once you get off, your whole vibe changes.
Ladybug in your head.
Oh, ladybug in my head. What I say? Ladybug, fly away home. Your house is on fire. Your children will burn. All but one whose name is Anne, for she crept under the pudding pan. Oh, don't know that one there? When there? Take him, man. Oh, no, that's not. They're not teaching that one there at school.
Oh my God.
Don't take him now. Take him, man. I'm going to teach you something on the river here. Say after me. Ladybug, ladybug.
Ladybug, ladybug.
Fly away home.
Fly away home.
Your house is on fire.
Your house is on fire.
Your children will burn.
Your children will burn.
All but one,
All but one.
whose name is Anne,
Name is Anne.
because she crept under
She get under.
the pudding pan. Yeah, they're not teaching that at school, trust it.
No, sir. We don't teach her something at school.
That's a ladybug boy. Yeah, man, Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice, Virgin.
No Jamaica, no nerd.
Jamaica nice.
That's how you get a drive on.
Jamaica
No
nice.
sense.
Beautiful.
Jump around, you can slow down.
Yeah, no sense of driving, man, on a taxi, man.
It's Jamaica 57th. Parties everywhere. Nobody disturb me when I'm in Jamaica. Every time you come here, people want to call you. What you doing? Like, what do you mean? What I'm doing?
I'm loving life.
Why you want to call me? Because I want to know what you're doing.
My phone go on airplane mode when I'm at the airport in Baltimore.
Yeah?
I put my phone on airplane mode then, and I take it off when I get back to the airport in Baltimore. Nobody call me.
Do not disturb.
Right.
Yeah.
So that your family's close, so you don't even need to call each other down here.
Right.
Each time you come in the brother, I know.
Yeah?
Each time you come in the brother.
Come with brother. And I know you all be partying. I know. Because down here is party city. Yeah, man. When you come to Jamaica, a lot of people are trying to, Randy, what you doing? I say, we just easy and not relax. Some of the best sense of mean is down here, you know that. When you smoke up there, different from down here, right? The vibe is different. The herb is more relaxing, right? It's not a high, it's a relax. I love coming to the West because I'm of the best. That's good. You gotta go to work at 7, so you're good. That was a good decision on Nick's part, you know?
Yeah. I am first of honest, man, I tell you every time, you know. I said, no, sir, every time you're on the one.
Yeah, I'm tired, man. Jamaicans, when they come through, all these other Toyota car, don't get no fancy car. And you know how many people are convinced we're coming back home? About 4,000. This program I'm doing, there are people who thought that Jamaica was this crime-heavy place, like crime everywhere, you can't go there. Getting shot in the airport, it's like, no. And you weakness.
You just gotta know who to know.
That's true.
So you hear what the man say, you gotta know who to know. for some Guinness there, you gotta know who to know. That's how you move in Jamaica. You know man like Trusty, and you know man like Kelly in the grill, you're good. This is why you become a member of Jamaica Good Life. Eh? And then you know these people, you're good. Now link up with Trusty. And Trusty will give you all the good links, will take care of you.
Yes. Definitely.
Trust me, I can't really. I can swim and I can float. I can do my thing. But when the water too deep, I can't really feel it.
Yeah, get ready, you know.
When I can't touch the bottom, I get a little nervous.
You
know, and I could. But today, I'm gonna try it. You know what I'm saying? I could do my little scissors thing, and I could do my butterfly, my back stroke, and everything. But when the water is too deep, and I can't rest.
I agree with you.
You know, if I had a life, I'm gonna start walking with a life vest because I want to experience the fullness. But once my breath run out, you know.
Alright, like when you go on the boat.
Yes.
The life vest on the boat. No boat operator don't do the life vest. That's
Yes. Where are we now?
Little London.
Little London.
Yeah.
Okay. Is gas expensive here?
Yeah, man. It's expensive, you know.
Like
1 litre of gas is 100 and 1 litre of gas is 170 something Jamaican. 1 litre of gas.
Box in the 7, alright? Box drink, just one.
Eh? I feel orange juice, man. You know something else like orange juice.
You got soda fish. Soda chicken food.
About 20 minutes away?
25 minutes.
25 minutes.
We got traffic, you know, so
Okay.
Look at you, cutie.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
oh, it's nice.
It's on shop, man, no. Like, we'll see you.
How many want to see a short one?
Fire.
Here is he. He don't want to look.
Roll over.
Roll.